Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on September 22, 2025. Brought to you by Senfin Securities. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, closed at 21,220.30 points, gaining 135.21 points, which is an increase of 0.64%. Meanwhile, the S&P SL20 index also ended higher at 6,057.13 points, up by 60.97 points, marking a 1.02% increase. Both indices showed positive momentum, reflecting improved investor sentiment in today's trading session.
The total market capitalization stood at 7,524.34 billion rupees at the close of trading today. Total market turnover for the day was 8.08 billion rupees, reflecting steady activity. Crossings for the day amounted to 1.58 billion rupees, with the highest crossings recorded in Commercial Bank of Ceylon and John Keells Holdings.
Domestic investors dominated total market purchases, accounting for 7,415.42 million rupees, which represents about 92% of total buying activity. Foreign purchases stood at 660.94 million rupees, contributing the remaining 8%. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded sales of 7,999.55 million rupees, making up a significant 99% of total market sales. Foreign sales were relatively subdued at 76.82 million rupees, representing just 1%. Rewrite.
Now let's look at the top gainers of the day one exterminators. 2 Sankadagala Finance 3. Singer Finance, Lanka, for Amana Bank and Citrus Leisure. These companies showed strong performance during today's trading session, reflecting positive investor sentiment and upward momentum in the market. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. 1 SMB Finance, 2 Sierra Cables, 3 Arpico Insurance, 4 Standard Capital and UB Finance. Write a simple presentation draft. These companies experienced downward movement in today's trading session, indicating a dip in investor sentiment and short-term market pressure. Let's take a look at the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day 1 John Keells Holdings, 2 CT Holdings, 3 Sankadagala Finance, 4 Commercial Bank of Ceylon and Valabel 1. These companies played a key role in supporting the index with their strong performance and positive market impact. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day 1 Sierra Cables, 2 Richard Puris and Company, 3 HAYLEYS 4 RIL Property and Windforce. These companies had a noticeable impact on pulling the index lower during today's trading session. Thank you.